Hi, my name is Nur Ashifa binti Nur Adnan. My number matrix is 01DEE25F 102X.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Kaira Kalisa. You can call me Kaira. My matrix numbers is 01DEE25F 1030. Calibration of the analog oscilloscope. First, intensity at mid position. Second, we put focus at mid position 2. Third, vert mode at channel 1 position. Channel 1 and channel 2 amplitude var tukar. After that, we put channel 1 and channel 2 to mid position. Second, AC GND DC at GND position. Then we put volt divide to 0.5, time divide at 0.52, and we switch var to car, coupling in auto position. After that, source we put it at channel 1. Trigger lever is pushed down to plus, and main delay we put it on the main position.
Connect BNC probe between oscilloscope and function generator. Set frequency of the function generator to 600 Hz. Put 1K times 0.6 to get 600 Hz. Adjust amplitude from function generator to minimum. Adjust time over division to 0.5. Obtain two sinus waveform. Use lever trigger to stop the waveform from moving. Rotate the amplitude to get full peak to peak at the waveform. Rotate vertical position in right position to calculation. So, this is waveform to calculate. To find peak to peak is number of division times volt per division, which means 4 times 1 is equals to 4. Next, to find time is number of division times time per division, means 3.8 times 0.5 millisecond is equal to 1.9 millisecond. Last one is frequency is 1 over time, means that 1 over 1.9 millisecond is equals to 526.32 Hz.